Moonlight left a note on my window pane, just 3 little words, forget his name, but I still hum the tune of his goodbye, and every sigh still rhymes with why. The coffee's cold, the record spins, a saxophone forgives my sins. I pour my heart into a glass of rain and drink to dreams that never came. Maybe love's a shadow show, flickering fast, then told to go. You reach, you touch, it disappears and leaves its echo in your Moonlight's fading down the street, barefoot memories on repeat. I close the blinds, but not my mind. It's him the moon still hopes to find. So if you see that silver glow, tell it there's one thing I know. I'd rather lose the light again than never fall in with pain.
There's one match left in the book you gave. The rest burned down last June. I strike it just to see your face in the shadows on the moon. The flame is brief, the smoke is kind, it wraps around my doubt. Some loves just teach the heart to find a way without a way out. I hold that light a second longer, pretend it's you instead. The fire whispers, let it go, then dims to quiet red. The matchstick dies a gentle death. The room resumes its gray.